Hola, bienvenidos. My name is Talia and I'm from the Weston Ranch Library. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your very own personal piñatas in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month. While celebrations may look a little different this year, by putting a modern twist on old traditions, we can still have fun and be festive. These mini piñatas are perfect for gift giving. You can stuff them with your favorite candies, you can add in a sweet little note, you can put in gift cards. The possibilities are endless. So if you're interested in making your own, stay tuned and keep on watching. Ta-da! We're done! She's just about the size of my hand. Isn't she so cute? I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to follow our Facebook and Instagram pages for more family fun for all ages. See you next time. Bye.